great and having fun reading, using all those strategies that you've been learning. So today what we're going to do is talk about all of those skills that you have, but also we're going to talk about how when we see a word in a book that maybe is a challenging or tough word, that word might happen over and over again. And then when you see it the second, the third, or the fourth time, you might not be stuck on that word anymore. And it's almost like it becomes a snap word for you, right? So boys and girls, as you get to be stronger readers, you are learning more difficult words and you are reading more difficult books, which is very exciting. So I'm going to show you in a couple of books that we've already read how some of these words get repeated. And then when they get repeated, you know those words almost like they're snap words. So boys and girls, remember our pattern books show words over and over again. And we start reading those books because we know the pattern, and then that helps us guess what the words are, and that helps us read them. So boys and girls, maybe if you're a beginning reader, the words panda bear and panda bear are very difficult. Sorry. Panda bear and panda bear might be very difficult to read for you. But boys and girls, we know that it starts with a capital P and a capital B in this book, and it says it twice, and it repeats it. So boys and girls, on the next page, when you see that panda bear, you know what it is because you've seen it twice. And it's the same way with bald eagle. It says bald eagle, and then look at the next line, it matches. They said bald eagle again. And then at the back of the book, remember it has each animal, and it repeats that again. So maybe, boys and girls, after you have read it from the front of the book, it's easier when you see it again in the back of the book because you recognize that word since you've read it. So that might happen with other books too. For example, with the jacket that I wear in the snow, it repeats over and over again. And so maybe the first time you got stuck on the word mittens, but the next time it talks about mittens, you get it more easily because you remember what that word is because it repeats it. Boys and girls, even if we have a book that is not a repeating book, that might happen in a book like this. So I'm remembering at the end of the book, it was talking about the tail on a dolphin. And I see dolphin is D-O-L-P-H-I-N, dolphin. And then when I turn the page, I see that word again, right? And now since I figured it out, the second time I see it, I know it's dolphin because I remember what the word looks like. And it happens again and it matches the picture. So boys and girls, today what we're really talking about is how you are in a book, you're reading, you see a tough word, you figure it out. That word might come up again and again in the book. And the second and the third, and the fourth time you see it, that's not a problem anymore. That's an easy word. It's almost like a snap word now. So boys and girls, that's how you get to be a stronger reader. You're like collecting new words and you can just look at them and know what they are. And you're getting more and more words that you know how to read, which is amazing. Your brain's just going to be so big it's going to explode. Now, I'm just kidding. It won't explode. But you'll be a very strong reader. Have a great day. Please notice when a word comes back again and again, and you can say it like a snap word.